Ronaldo, first person to reach 200 million followers on Instagram, shares video. Juventus and Portugal forward Cristiano Ronaldo has become the first person to reach 200 million followers on Instagram. Monsieur, the five-time Ballon d'Or winner, is the only sportsperson among the top 5 most followed persons on the platform. Monsieur Ronaldo's rival Lionel Messi is 7th on the list with 141 million followers. Ronaldo shared a video of his Instagram journey and thanked fans. Xiaomi calls rival Realme a copycat brand. Realme CEO responds after Xiaomi India MD Manu, Kumar, Jain and POCO India General Manager Manmohan called their rival Realme a copycat brand. Realme CEO Madhav Sheth responded on Tuesday, "A real innovative brand and market leader won't behave like that. Basic dignity and ethics should be maintained no matter how insecure you are of your competitors' growth," Sheth said. 30 debit credit card details for sale online in one of the biggest breaches in one of the biggest card breaches reported to date. Credit and debit card information of 30 million customers of American food and gasoline chain Wawa is being sold online, according to fraud intelligence company Gemini Advisory. It may have affected over 850 stores. It added, the Joker Stash marketplace began uploading records on the dark web on January 27. Work from home even after Lunar New Year holidays end. China firms tell staff Chinese companies including Alibaba and Tencent have asked employees to work from home for 1 week after a Lunar New Year break ends. China has extended the week-long Lunar New Year holiday by 3 days to February 2 to contain the coronavirus. TikTok owner ByteDance's employees who traveled during the holidays are required to work from home for 14 days. World's fourth richest woman Mackenzie reduces her Amazon stake by $400 million. The world's fourth richest woman and Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos' ex-wife Mackenzie Bezos has reduced her stake in e-commerce giant Amazon by about $400 million. It's not clear whether Mackenzie sold the shares or gifted them. Monsieur Jeff Bezos retains voting rights over her stake, which now stands at 19.5 million shares worth $35.7 billion.